How to change songs in CapCut template. Let's get started. Launch your CapCut app. At the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Click on the option of template. Once you land to the template page, over here you're gonna find tons of template options. Head towards any of the template that you wanna use. After you open the template that you wanna use, at the bottom you will see the option of use template. Click on it. Now you can select the photo or video for the template. Once you do that, click on next. Now you can click on export. You can select the option of save and share to TikTok without CapCut watermark. After you export the video, click on done. Now you can come to this edit page. Now click on create. With that, your gallery will open up. Now select the template that you have just exported and click on add. Now you can head towards this audio option. Now you're gonna find tons of audio options. You can choose any of these. I'm gonna choose sounds. Now you can search for any of the song or use from here. Now you can adjust the sound. Once you are done, you can save this video and export to your gallery. So this is how you can change songs in CapCut template. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.